So Flo, you're super fit. Have you always worked out?
I've been working out ever since I was in 9th grade. I remember I couldn't lift like 50 pounds, so it came a competition between me and my friends, and we would always almost fight each other to get to the gym. So I started early on.
That's awesome. And did you always use a trainer?
Nope, didn't always use a trainer. I think, the motivation came from just my peers.
Did it have anything to do with like being super busy? Did you find that the more busy you became, the more motivated you were to have somebody, help you?
Most definitely, and I feel like, just being an entertainer, it's a part of my lifestyle.
Right.
So I definitely, need someone those days when I might get in from a show and I feel so, exhausted.
Yeah.
I might, have to invest in having a trainer.
So tell us about meeting Mike and what you like about Mike.
Well, I met Mike, by being a necessity to my lifestyle, just being an entertainer and having to put so much energy on stage. I think when you love what you do, you meet people who you attract that same energy.
Absolutely.
So Mike is a guy who's definitely an inspiration and a motivator in the gym because, look at him. He's as ripped as myself, so.
Totally reciprocated. I can't say enough. This is a true story. There was a time that I was training Flo and his friends, right? They were all there, and everything he said is the exact truth. There is a competitive vibe that I love. Sometimes for about 5 minutes, I would sit back and I didn't have to say anything. It was just happening.
Right.
But there was a moment where, I love music, right? Obviously. And they were exercising, and just like the fierceness in his face at the time of the exercise with the music playing, I went right to iTunes and I downloaded it, and it's on. I'm getting the chills talking about it. This is a true story. This is a true story. I play it, because I compete in bodybuilding. I play it at my lowest times, and I think about that situation with Flo moving. It's a gift as a trainer, right? To have a client that wants to want it.
Yeah.
It's almost like cheating. You understand what I'm saying? Because he's coming in here and it's like, it's his energy. So it's like I said, man, it's a gift, and I love the fact that, we're involved, and it's only gonna get better and better and better.
Absolutely.
So, and not only that too, Flo trains his friends too. You are the captain of the ship. When he goes to the gym,
right,
he's cracking it down. So
cool.
That's the truth. I see it.
So Flo, how important is working out to you as a performer?
Well, with me having such up-tempo records, I'm not the guy who loves to stand in one place when I'm performing.
Right.
So a lot of times if I haven't eaten properly or I haven't trained hard enough, I'll get on stage and I might want to cut the show. But with me, going and training hard, I get a chance to stay on stage sometimes 2 hours. And a lot of my friends, they come to the show and they're like, man, how do you jump up and down for so long and,
right,
just smile all day? It's because of the fact that I train hard in the gym.
So Mike, obviously Flo is always all over the world. How have you adapted his workout so he's still able to, get his training in when he's always so busy and not around you all the time?
It's basically communicating with Flo. Sometimes spaces could be small, sometimes he doesn't have access, but it's applying the principles as we're doing a Flo Fit, right? And things that he likes, because we got to do things that we like, right? And short, basically burst exercise to keep his heart rate, but also to keep him strong. You tell me, Flo, like you have some of your favorite workouts that you love to feel, and you have the ones that you love not to feel, but you go through, right?
Yeah, I always try to make it fun. Anything that's fun, you definitely, want to put a lot of your time into.
Yeah.
But I think it goes even beyond, training with Mike. It's not what you just do in the gym with, as far as the organization of having to train, it's what you do in your own time.
Right.
So if I'm in the airport, sometimes I might do some leg raises. I might have a contest with my security guards, do some push-ups.
Right.
So that adds on to, having a great physique.
So why is working out so important, and why should people do it?
Because it's universally effective. Whether you're an attorney or you're a megastar, it will always make you feel better and perform better at the highest level. 3 countries, 2 days, ask them yourself.
Man, it's a necessity to my lifestyle. Makes me feel good. Who doesn't like to go to the beach and take off the shirt and show off either the guns, the tummy, the legs, things like that. But I just know people need to work out. They should work out.